So in the next few minutes I'm just going to go quickly through how you go about making a query in Microsoft Access. Now you should already have the data imported into your database. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at how we can actually search for information in our database, and we're going to search for information by using the query design option here on the create ribbon. So what we need to do first, if you have got your table opened already, is close it, and then what you'll need to do then is just go to query design, choose by double clicking the table that the information comes from that you want to make your search on, and then just double click on each of the individual headings that make up your table. You then type in what you're searching for. So let's say you're looking at one of your required reports being a dessert item and it being an apple, let's say. Then you would search in the criteria line just here for the word apple. Now if I run that query quickly now, we'll see, yes, it does bring back apple, but it doesn't include some of the other things which we know actually in our database, such as apple strudel, or pineapple, or apple juice, or anything like that. So what we need to do is go back into, by clicking here, our design view for our query, and we need to put in some wildcards. And the wildcards are the star symbol. So I'm going to put in star, apple, and then star. What that will do is it will show me anything in my database with the word apple held somewhere in the food item field. So if I click run now, we'll see we've got all of them: apple cake, pineapple, so forth and so on. All I would need to do now, if I was happy with the results here, make sure you're happy with the results that you can see for any queries that you might make, and if you're happy with it, simply click on save, give it a name, and this was going to be my dessert query. I'd click OK, and that is my query done. Now you do have to provide evidence of you having made the query, and the evidence for how you've gone about doing this comes from this view here. And so what you would do is take a screenshot which highlights itself on the area down here where you've put your search term, and that would be done with a screenshot put into your PowerPoint presentation, most likely. Okay, hope that's helped. Keep them peeled for another little how-to with the how to make the reports.